good, Grill Gainz? Today we're doing a cookout that doesn't wreck your macros. We're gonna do grilled burgers, sweet potato fries, corn, and a grilled watermelon salad. This is how you stay in shape during the cookout season. Let's get into it. Let's start with the sweet potato fries first. We're gonna peel them and cut them as uniformly as possible so they cook evenly. Dice the cucumber for the grilled watermelon salad. And then slice your tomatoes up for the burger. Cut your onion into thick slices so they don't fall through the grates, and then skewer them straight through so they hold together once they start to cook. Alright, stay with me now. Slice your watermelon into big slabs because we're gonna grill it. Season your corn on the cob with oil, salt, and pepper. That's all they need. Fries get a soak for about 20 minutes to pull the starch. That's really the difference between crispy and soggy fries, especially when you're making them in the air fryer. Dry them, then add cornstarch for the crust, smoked paprika, garlic powder, pepper, cayenne, and oil. Toss them to coat. Salt comes after they cook, not now. If you add salt too early, they're gonna steam instead of crisp. Toss your fries in the air fryer for about 20 minutes at 390 degrees. You want your fries to be in a single, even layer so they can cook evenly. Lightly oil your watermelon slabs so they can grill instead of sticking. When your grates get hot, rub it with a raw onion. This will help your grates stay non-stick and also season them. Throw your watermelon straight over the heat. You're chasing grill marks, you're not trying to cook it through. 2 to 3 minutes per side. Grilling caramelizes the sugar and adds a little bit of smoke. It sounds strange, but it actually tastes incredible. You have to try it. Next, we're gonna grill our corn and onions. Flip the onions after a few minutes and then shift the corn to keep it moving. You want char spots all the way around the corn, not just in one stripe. To make our salad, we're going to start with our grilled watermelon, cut it into chunks, then add mint, diced cucumber, and feta cheese. Sweet, smoky, salty, and fresh. We're using 90-10 lean beef, so it stays high protein. Season right before they cook, salt, pepper, and garlic on both sides. Salt any earlier and the lean beef will turn dense and tough. Onions are ready. One more flip on the corn, butter baste it, and pull it. Sides are done. Now for the main event. Burgers on, hot and fast. Don't press them down because with lean beef, you'll be squeezing out the little bit of fat that you have. Then add a garlic parsley butter base. That butter will add back richness into that lean beef. These come off at 160 degrees internal. This is store-bought ground beef, so you have to be safe. Toasted buns, and then a quick burger sauce made from mayo, mustard, ketchup, relish, and Worcestershire. Then you add your pickles, grilled onions, lettuce, tomato, the patty, and the top bun. Salt those fries and add them while they're hot. Then your corn and the grilled watermelon salad. And that's the plate. And that's the whole cookout. If you like grilled content that actually helps you hit your goals, then subscribe and tell me what I should make next. I'll see you on the next one.